Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all well. Our dish for today is bariya rice with chicken. It's normally done with red meat, but I'll be making it with chicken today. It's a simple and quick recipe people used to make in the wild with whatever ingredients they have available. First, I put some oil and the chopped onions. They used to make this recipe with meat and then add spices and different vegetables, so in the end they get a big dish even though they used what they had. Now I add the cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, laurel leaves, and dried curry leaves, and dried black lime, and a full head of garlic without peeling or cutting it. If you're making a larger portion, you can add 2 or 3 heads. For me, 1 is enough. I'll add a bit of black pepper. That will add a nice flavor to the onion. I stir till the onion wilt without coloring. Now I add a small spoon of curcuma, 1 of powdered ginger, black pepper, and cumin. You can add 1 spoon of powdered black lime also, but the 2 full black limes I put are enough for me. They will give the sourness needed. I add the chicken that I cut to 8 pieces and I stir till the chicken absorbed the spices. Chicken needs normally 30 minutes, but count more for red meat. I add now some salt. If you ask, can I put a broth cube, Maggie? Yes, you can, but in the fields, they didn't have it. They used salt. Now, I'll add hot water. Don't use cold water. And I'll leave it till it's almost done. After 13 minutes, it's not very soft. It smells nice. Now it's fully cooked with the rice, so I add the rice and see if I need to add more water. I'll add just a small cup. And you don't need to open the cover or stir every 5 minutes, otherwise you'll break the rice. Check just once to be sure the rice is fully covered with water. See, now it's done. It's not sticking and smells nice. If you want, you can add natural butter It will give it an even better taste. I'm ready to serve it. This dish doesn't take very long to prepare for iftar, so you can make a soup or a salad at the same time. You can serve it with some hot sauce, dakous, on the side. I explained how to make the hot sauce in another video. You can also serve it with any sauce you like. The garlic will taste like garlic sauce. Bon appetit! Enjoy it! I hope you will try it. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button and share it if you like the video.